Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Tolan app. In order to do so, here we are at the Tolan app on the iOS marketplace, on the Apple marketplace, and this is where you can find it. As of this time, it appears that it is only available on iOS. And what is Tolan all about? Well, it's your alien best friend. Chat and hang out together. It's a new kind of friend. You can customize your planet together. You can chat about whatever, explore your personality, show your Tolan, your world, customize your Tolan style, and you can have some fun just chit-chatting with these funny little alien friends. And if you're interested, then head over to the Apple Store and download the Tolan app. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Check out our Discord. We're building something special there. We'd love to have you. And check out our WAP course on how to make an AI music video. For $30, we'll take you through our process so that you can make your own AI music video masterpieces. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link, you'll get $50 to open an account. And for every referral, you can get $125. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. It comes highly recommended. Simply Financial. Check to see if it's available in your area.